So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's tutorial I will show you on how you can use your smartphone to scan documents. Now quite obviously you will understand that every smartphone has a camera and this camera which is used to scan the document. Now before we start scanning the document, please do understand that there is a lot of difference between just taking a normal picture, like I take a picture like this, and there's a difference between scanning a document. I mean, if you have used a real-time scanner, you really know what a scanner means. So for scanning documents, you will need to have an application for the scanner installed. Now if it's an Android powered smartphone, you obviously need to head towards the Play Store to download applications. Now the application that I am about to show is quite popular and it's called Cam Scanner. You need to download this since mine has already been downloaded, so I'm getting an option to update it. I really don't want to update it, but this is the application that you need to download to scan documents. There may be other applications as well, but this is really the best. Now once it's been done, you need to head towards your apps, search for that app, just do Cam, and you can see here it is. I will open it up. So presently Cam Scanner has opened up. Now these are a list of documents that have been scanned using this application, and this here, I will just zoom in, is the camera sign, which means that if I press this, it will actually open up the camera, which will allow me to scan any document that I decide to scan. Now this is pretty much the user interface. You have a small grid here. This will help you like sign in, register other things, and let's do this. So I'll just bring up a small document here and I will open up the camera, and you can see, like, obviously for the purpose of recording this tutorial I don't want to have a very exact kind of a scan thing, but I would bring the entire visible range which I would want to scan in normal circumstances, and then I would hit the camera button. So say I do it right now. It then allows me to crop or resize the scanned portion, and like there are options. If I decide to click on the check button here, it means that I'm happy with this size, I mean resized portion. So if I click on this, you can see that it has actually brought upon the scanned image. I have options of applying filters. The original is this. It actually applies a very wonderful whitish shade which makes it look like a scanned document. I can lighten it further. I can add magic color filters and different things, but I actually prefer the way scanner does it itself. Okay, so far so good. If I decide that the auto applied filter is quite good enough, then again I have the option of clicking on tick. At this point I can further like scan, I mean I can further use the camera and I can add upon different documents. I mean, say this is the second page or something. And there you go. I kind of like this as well, and so I crop the image size, and I say it's okay, perfect. So now these are the two images. Now do I stop here? Absolutely no. I decide to share it. Now whom do I share it with? If I have this option here, now it's pretty common. I mean, it's pretty commonly observed, this sign here, which is for sharing across different mediums. So I want to share it as a text, PDF, image. Say I want to share it as a text. Do I want to WhatsApp? Okay, let me share it by WhatsApp. So I send it to DAP Productions. So there you go. I could easily do that. And I can also make a PDF file. And you can see a PDF opens up for the captured file. And not only this, I can even mail this, which I found, which I actually find the most convenient. So I like open up Gmail, and suppose this could have been my mark sheet, this could have been my passport, Aadhaar, or other things. Scanned document, and I mail it to myself. So this is how easy it is to kind of scan documents using your own smartphone. And maybe in this tutorial we used Cam Scanner, maybe you discover something else, but I have seen people use this application very often, I mean in both Android as well as iOS, that's iPhones and other phones. So in case you are like wondering on how you can Cam scan, and use it, this is how. And it's called Cam Scanner because you are using the cam, that is the camera, and scan, that is the scan facility of this application, to scan across documents and then send it to somebody by mail. Hopefully this helps. If it does, please do subscribe. I look forward to subscriptions and I look forward to keep making more such tutorials. Have a great day guys, and thanks for watching. Stay subscribed.